Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this lecture I am going to talking about request header field. So let's start our video. Today topic and today lecture is request header field. Let's start. Request header field function or request modifier providing additional information and parameters related to the request. The following field are defined in HTTP. So here is accept a list of media type and range that are acceptable as a response to this request. Accept character set a list of character sets acceptable for the response. Accept encoding list of acceptable content encodings for the entity body. Content encoding are primarily used to allow a document to be compressed or encrypted. Typically the resource is stored in this encoding and only decoding before actual use. So talk about accept language restricts the set of natural language that are performed for the response. So authorization containing a field value referred to as credential used by the client to authenticate itself to the server from the internet email address for the human user who control the request user agent. Host, who is host, specifies the internet host of the resource being request. IP modified sense used with the method. This header includes a date, time parameter. The resources is to be transferred only if it has been modified since the date time specified. This feature allow for efficient catch update. A catching mechanisms can periodically issue get message to an origin server and will receive only a smart response message unless an update is needed. Now we talk about proxy authorization allows the client to identify itself to a proxy that requires authentication. Range for future study, intent is that in a get message, a client can request only a portion of identified resources. Refer refer the URL of the resource for which the request URL was obtained. This enables our server to generate list of backlink unless similar in functions to the IP modified sense field with two difference. It is not restricted to the get method, and to comparison is based on any entity header field value rather than time value. User agent contain information about the user agent operating this request. This is used for statistical purpose, the tracking of protocol valuation and automated recognition of user agent for the sake of tailoring response to avoid particular user agent limitation. So that's all, and I am going to end this my lecture. This lecture was about request header fields. This was use sorry, this was request header field accept just accept encoding languages, etc, etc. Okay, so that's all, and I'm going to today my lecture end, and we will meet inshallah in next lecture. Goodbye, take care.